In this video, I'll show you how to use your virtual Cash App card in a store, so you can pay easily even without a physical card. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. On the home screen, you'll see several options at the bottom, including the home icon, the card icon, the app logo, and search. Tap on the card icon, because this is where your Cash App card and virtual card are managed. After selecting the card icon, you'll see an option that says Meet the Cash App card and Get Your Free Card. Tap on Get Your Free Card. From here, you can choose a card style based on your preference. If you want to customize the card with designs or drawings, there may be a small fee, but if you just want a plain card without paying extra, you can continue with the free option. Next, you'll be asked to enter your details, such as your name, email address, home address, and date of birth. Cash App will use this information to create your card. Once everything is filled in, tap Next and complete the process. Now, to use your virtual Cash App card in a store, go back to the Card section in Cash App and open your virtual card details. You can add this virtual card to your phone's wallet, like Apple Pay or another supported wallet. Once it's added, you can simply tap your phone at supported stores to pay, just like you would with a physical card. As long as the store accepts contactless payments, your virtual Cash App card will work smoothly. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.